Pana Po'o is here. This wonderful game in which you draw without pencils. Let's go! Roll the dice. They show you the colors with which you can draw. Draw what? Take a card. Are you ready? Draw a figure so the rest of the players guess what it is. If you get it, there are points for both. The one who succeeds will be the next to draw. Get the most points by hitting and drawing. Will you be able? Draw with different levels. Easy level, 2 dice plus wild card. You can play with the dice and also with the black color. Medium level, 2 dice. Expert level, 1 die. By the way, do you want to know what Pana Po'o means? You'll find it in the box.